want to take a moment to update the campus on the work that's underway at the Culp University Center. I've had a number of people ask me in the past few weeks why the fences have been installed outside of the building. Those fences are the first visible signs of the renovation and transformation that will occur in the next 2 years. A transformation that was made possible by the vision of our students and the action that our students and Student Government Association took a couple of years ago to make this work possible. Our SGA recognized that the Culp Center was not able to meet the needs of a 21st century institution, and the renovations will position us to provide the services to meet the expectations of our students for generations to come. So I know that our current generation of faculty and staff and students will be inconvenienced over the course of the next few years. I thank you for your patience during the renovation process, but I promise you that when all of this work is done, we're going to have a building that we'll be proud of for years and years to come, a building that will transform the center of our campus. So thank you for your patience, thank you for your faith in this process, and for making this process possible. Godspeed to each of you, and go Bucks.